Just stopped and started. Go. Got another. What? It is. It's yeah, I think it's like the yellowish one. This one's even smaller than the last. Alright, number 2. I'm beating Kraig. No! That's cast. Alright, see, I like the slow water. You can see the fly much better. That was the cast right there. That was the cast I wanted. Right up by that little branch. Alright, right there. Nope, not as far. A little further. Try the fly. Nope, not far out enough. A little better. More towards the middle. Ooh. Still not. Want it more towards the middle. It's better. Still haven't got a good cast. There you go. Snag. There you go. That's what I wanted. Line jammed. Want it to be straight. There we go. That was a good one. Right there. That's what I wanted. Dead middle. That was the cast I wanted. Didn't pick one up. Not far out enough. Right there. That was it right there. That's the cast. Surprised I didn't get it right there. You got Kraig over there changing his fly. He just got hooked up. And Simon